In case you haven't met this cat, this is the Illustrious Cat's Waller. He's a ragdoll cat. And ragdolls are very friendly. And he belongs to the neighbor. And look, isn't he cute? And he likes to just rest on our porch. Hey, Waller. Hey, buddy. And if you have a ragdoll cat, you should expect to really try to clean your house often, because these guys shed like mad. Oh my god. They shed like crazy. If you even watch them like just scratch themselves in the light, you can see just like fur just like flying off the cat. So, but they are really, really nice. And I mean, he is just the nicest, sweetest guy. I mean, look at him. Just look at him. What a cutie. Old Cat's Waller. So wishing y'all a beautiful day out there. From Best Seattle and Cat's Waller.